Okay guys, so we're going to run through Three Little Birds, the verse, and then playing through the whole song because we went through the chorus last week. Now there's a few more changes in the verse than there is in the chorus, and we include our E major chord. Now I touched upon this last week, but our E major chord is similar to our E minor, but we replace these water pistol fingers, fingers 1 and 2, with fingers 2 and 3, the two middle fingers. And now they go on the 4th and the 5th string up, where our E minors should be, but our first finger is free to go on the 3rd string up in the 1st fret. And because it's an E chord, we include all 6 strings. Okay, so that's an E major. I'll say that once more, what we do. So water pistol fingers, we're used to playing E minor, we've played it in our green, but now we play our E minor with our two middle fingers, and then we add the first finger on the 3rd string up to make it an E major sound. So it's just, or E as we simply call it. If it's a major, we don't always put the major on the end if it's an E. Okay? So after 4, I'd like you to strum that chord with me 4 times. Remember, our fingers should be nicely arched. If they're flat, you're not going to get a nice sound to you. So arch and squeeze down the strings. After 4 strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we established last week that for the A we play from the A string down, so we play 5 strings. For the D we play from the D string down, so we play 4 strings. And for the E we play from the E string down, so we play 6 strings. Good way to remember it: A, D, D, and E, E. And the verse, there's a count of 4 for each chord. So it goes, rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sat by my doorstep, singing sweet song of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. So it goes A, 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, D, 2, 3, 4, then repeat 2, 3, 4, E, 2, 3, 4, A, D, 2, 3, 4, then A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to go through that really slowly. Okay, I'm going to do 2 taps in between the verse changes. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Then E, 2, 3, 4. Then D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 tap now. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4, then A, 2, 3, 4, then E, 2, 3, 4, then D, 2, 3, 4, then A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there's a real kind of jumble of those chords in there. We're now going to play it without any taps after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. E, 2, 3, 4. A, 2, 3, 4. D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Then E, 2, 3, 4. Then D, 2, 3, 4. Then A, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we're now going to play it. I'm not going to sing the chords. You've got to follow those chords yourself after 4. 1, 2, 3. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sat by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Okay, so that's the verse. If you're struggling, rewind to 2 taps. Always try your chord application like that, taking off a full shape, putting it back on. Remember, our first finger will always be the kind of wheels of the plane as we land our chords, but the other fingers need to catch up as well. Nicely arched every chord to get every string working. If your fingers are slacking, you're going to run into that kind of sound, and we want nice clear sounds. Okay, so we're now going to play through the whole song, and we're going to start by playing through it with a 70 beats per minute metronome. Okay, so get ready for the chorus to begin with. We're just going to do a chorus, a verse and a chorus after 4. It's a reggae beat. Actually, maybe we'll slow that down a bit, guys. Feels a little bit too fast. Take it down to 60 beats per minute. Might be a bit better. Yeah, okay, after 4 then. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds sat by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing it, don't worry morning. Smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pitched by my doorstep, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. One last time, chorus. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Okay guys, so that was Three Little Birds, and hopefully after this tutorial you'll have confidence to play along with the original song, because obviously Bob Marley is a million times better at singing than I am. Okay guys, until next week, good luck.